الله أكبر. الله أكبر.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello my dear brothers and sisters. Salamun alaykum wa rahmatullah. The question is, we know that the earth is in the shape of a globe. So when we say you have to pray into the direction of Mecca, the question arises, if I stand this way and Mecca, even if it's right in front of me, if I draw a line exactly from behind my back, starts from behind my back, it goes all the way around the globe and comes exactly to the point which is right in front of me, Kaaba. So it would be this direction and the direction behind me, both of them would end exactly to the same point. So we say, because of that, you have to choose the nearest, the shortest, the closest direction to the Mecca. For example, if you live for 1 block away from Kaaba, you cannot choose to pray in a way that Kaaba right behind you. You have to face Kaaba. Even when you put Kaaba behind you, you would eventually be looking, facing Kaaba. But this is not how it works. You have to choose the closest and the nearest way to the Kaaba. But if you traveled to a city, to a place which were exactly the same spot from Kaaba, exactly other side of the world, if you travel to the point which, if you draw a hypothetical line, all of those lines would be the same length, you are free to choose which direction you pray, and any direction, because all of them are the same length, all of those directions would be correct to pray to. So if you are traveling, for example, I'm just giving an example, to the city X, and both front and behind of the place you're standing has the same distance to Mecca, to Kaaba, you can pray in this way or that way, because both of them has the same distance to the Kaaba and Mecca city. The next question asks, what if I'm traveling with a train and I only have 10 minutes left to pray my salat, or else I would miss my salat? And we know that train turns and doesn't go in the same direction. The answer is, if you have to pray in a train or airplane or a bus or something, you have to turn every time the vehicle turns. For example, train goes from the point A to the point B, and Qibla or Mecca is at the point C in the middle of these two. By the train or bus going from the point A to B, you have to slightly change the direction you're praying to, so you would be to the direction of Qibla at all times. But we know it's not right to pray while you're in a vehicle. This is only for the situation that you have to pray on a vehicle, or else you would miss your salat. Inshallah, on the next session, we will discuss about istifta'at and questions from Grand Ayatollah Khamenei, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.